Hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Forever Vegan Inspo, where we want you to eat well, feel well, and to be in good health. So thank you for joining us today. Let's walk together and rest a while. Today, decided to get out into God's creation, out into the woods near where I live. Just thought we'd put into practice some of those practical things we've been learning about. Getting enough exercise, breathing in the fresh, crisp, beautiful air, getting our vitamin D. So here we are in God's nature, just taking a moment to reflect, to listen to the birds sing. And isn't it so beautiful? Just to, be in nature and to be relaxing and just to bring our minds into peace, into alignment with God. Because sometimes we're so rushed in our days, so busy, that we just don't take the time. So I just wanted today's video just for us to take the time, for you to actually join me on this walk, and for us to enjoy the delights of nature, of God's creation. So yeah, we're just walking, so walk with me. So take some deep breaths. Oh, it's so beautiful. I hope that you will take the time to appreciate God's creation and just get out there, take a walk, and enjoy the peacefulness of being in nature. Take care, God bless, and we'll be back next week with another recipe. Stay tuned and thank you for watching. Bye.